Aloha everyone, welcome in again. David Tatera here with CryptoTutorials.org. Super excited to share this series with you. As you know, I'm doing the top 10 most interesting, most exciting projects that I saw, tokens that I saw released for the month of June. So well over 1,000 new tokens come out every month. There's all kinds of different things from rug puller scam tokens to really, high-end projects with backing and capital and everything in between. So I like keeping an eye on them. Sometimes I see a new project that I'm interested in investing in. Sometimes I see a new project that I just like the technology. Sometimes I want to keep an eye on who's working on the project. So I'm going to share with you the 10 most interesting that I found last month. As well as this video is going to go over how to purchase the token. So if you're interested and you do want to do it as an investment, it'll go over how to purchase it. I'm also going to link up above to another video that's going to just tell you about the token and kind of let you know, why I think it's an interesting project and worth diving in on. All right. So do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let YouTube know that you're a fan of this type of content and that you like listening to it, and we'll make sure you get to see more. And let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about the TronPad. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. But before I go over how to purchase this token, I want to show you a way that you can actually get some free tokens. And I'm not talking about scammy, crappy coins that are out there. I mean name brand, high quality tokens. So I teach a thing called the Airdrop Masterclass. Normally it's $97. Right now, if you go to getmyfreecrypto.com, link down below, and sign up for it, I will send you a link that you can take that class totally free. It's going to show you everything about how to find the right airdrops, how to apply for them and successfully get them. I literally let you watch me as I go through the process. So you have no excuse. You can definitely go out and get some free crypto. All right, go to getmyfreecrypto.com, sign up for the Airdrop Masterclass before we change the price. All right, so we're ready to pick up some TronPad. Here we go. I'm gonna pop that into CoinGecko. Pull up TronPad. As you can see, it is listed on BSC. It is also on Tron. So that's where we're gonna buy it because I wanna use a new exchange and show you guys how to use a new exchange. So you can see, wow, it really rocketed up today and then it shot back down. So it's kind of more near its mean. That's a better place for me to actually be buying in probably. But I'm gonna pull it up off their website. So if you go to the TronPad network website, here it is, and it's going to show you a link to say to buy on JustSwap. And JustSwap is our Tron swapping protocol. Just like you have QuickSwap for Matic, and you've got Uniswap for Ethereum, and Pancakeswap for Binance. JustSwap is the primary DeFi swapping protocol on Tron. Okay, so as you can see, I've got my Tron wallet over here. It's got my balance, which is 874 Trons. You can see I have plenty of bandwidth. I have no energy. I don't know if I'm going to need energy when it comes to using an exchange or not. It's for anything that involves a smart contract. So theoretically it should, but we'll find out. And then if I need to, the way that I get some energy is actually to do this, which is called to freeze it. So I may end up having to freeze some of my money, which is like staking it basically, just so that I can get some energy to use on the network. We'll find out. All right, so I want to swap TronX to TronPad, and I was going to do about 200 TRXs to TronPads, because I think that ends up being about $15, and that's kind of what I've been trying to throw in each of these different projects, is just throw 15 bucks into them and see what the heck happens with it, all right? So that's the swap that we want to do. Let's see how our swap goes through. There is a price impact. There's a little bit of a liquidity fee, and I'm going to confirm my swap. It's going to pull up on here, and smart contract, main manager, TRX. It's not telling me anything about, it's requesting a signature. It's not asking me about a gas fee or anything. So 200 TRX for that. Wow. So if that goes through, it looks like that went through, and that did not charge me any gas fee whatsoever. How about that? when do you ever get to swap anything anywhere for no gas fees? So I know a lot of people haven't been big on Tron, but I'll be honest with you, this most recent process, I've been impressed. I think the way that they've got the gas fees under control and that they've got smart contracts to have different fees, I like the way that that works. But there we go. I've got 200 Tron pads now. You can see them right there in my account. If I go up to my wallet, they'll probably show up there. No, not yet. Okay, how do I get them added into my wallet? Let's see. My assets. And let's search for TronPad. Ah, there we go. Now I can put in a contract address. So TronPad right there. Add it in. Boom, it's added to my asset display now. Now I go back and look at that. You can see my balance in TRX and my balance in TronPad. All right. Thank you guys for sticking with me and learning with me on this fun and crypto adventure. I appreciate it. Click on the like, click on the subscribe. That is my payment for spending money on these coins and trying it out here. Look, oh, we can even see it did take a little bit of my bandwidth up to do that exchange. It took up 300 of my bandwidth. So still have a lot more. I could do a lot more swapping before I would ever start to even have to stake some of my TRX. But pretty cool. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Like I said, like and subscribe. Much aloha.